Alert message from Clinton Elementary School. This is not a test. This is an important alert. A girl in 3rd grade called Samantha has been reported punching people. This girl was considered deadly or dangerous. This girl is deadly and avoid being caught. Kids named Daniel and Isaac were almost killed by her. This girl can even be fast. But a boy named Abraham can run even faster than her. Follow these steps. 1. Tell the lunch lady that you have been punched. 2. Go to the principal's office and tell that you have been punched. This girl likes to kill people and injure them. And she likes to be mean too. Stay away from this girl and run away. This girl is a murderer. We are now doing the BBC News.
Welcome to BBC News. A girl called...
This is an alert from the federal government and the Clinton Elementary School. Please pay attention to this alert. A girl named Samantha is lurking around Clinton School looking for people. If you are in Samantha's class, do not do something to her. Do not talk to Samantha either. Remember, God is going to save us.
Attention all students and staff. A killer girl is lurking in your school. Please stay calm and don't panic. All teachers, you can have the children play the toys of indoor play. Stay calm and don't panic. All staff, please go to the principal to look for the girl.
Warning! There is a dangerous situation near your school. Please stay calm and don't panic. This girl's name is Samantha. Samantha is a 3rd grade student. She likes to kill and hurt people. This girl is dangerously evil and don't get near her. God will be here to save us.
Listen to this alert carefully. A girl called Samantha is causing trouble in your school. Please stay calm and don't panic. This alert is a big emergency. Stay calm. Do not panic.
Emergency services will be here and listen to this alert.
A killer girl is on your school. Please stay calm. This girl has been hurting people a lot. If you are in recess, do not panic. If you see her, panic now. It means you are in big danger.
Emergency warning. This is not a test. A girl named Samantha is near your school. Please do not go outside. Samantha is outside. She is coming to get you. Do not go outside. All teachers, please do not take them outside. There is a threat in the area. We recommend not to go to the playground. The threat is there.
This alert is critical. Please pay attention. A girl named Samantha is coming to your school. Follow these steps. 1. Stay in your class. 2. Don't panic. 3. If she is outside your door, go under your desk.